Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. This vlog is totally for shoe lovers. We are going to Nike Outlet today and I hope you will like this vlog. So let's get started. There are lots of varieties here and you can see each and every model of the Nike shoe here and different types of clothing also. The only reason I came here to look for the Jordan shoes here. Guys, just look at the price difference between the shoe price here and in India. There is huge difference. These shoes are of women's section. We are totally going towards men's section after this. This place is totally heaven for people like us, those who love shoes. This one is my favorite. Just look at this. Bro, it's totally classy. Simple and total class. भाइयों, देखो देखो क्या माल है. I am in love with this shoe, bro. Totally perfect. Guys, it's time to say goodbye. Next week with new place, with new vlog. If you like more work, please give the thumbs up. If you are new to channel, please subscribe.